Hi, Katarina. Welcome to the class. Hello, Christopher. Welcome to the class.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Katarina, can you hear us?
Yes, Miss.
So thank you, you two, for allowing me to be late for 5 minutes. Oh, Christopher just had a haircut. Woo-wee. Nice. Okay, so guys, I just realized that to not today, this month there were so many schools having like KTS. Yeah, KTS. Kegiatan tengah semester. Have you got your KTS?
No, Miss.
No, not yet.
Mm,
Okay. So I was like, this is just February. What are they doing with KTS? I said. And um oh, yeah, probably because your schools are Christians, Catholic schools. The others are like public schools. And they said, because in March, we're going to have a lot of holidays. They said, okay. So, how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
I'm not Miss. And how about you, Miss?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking back. Okay. So, we are. Huh?
Huh?
Katarina, what happened? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, today we're going to go to our new chapter. Chapter 2. Chris, what's the title of chapter 2?
Wait, Miss. Andy and work hard, play hard.
Okay. NDN. Which one? NDN or work hard, play hard?
Andy and Grant.
Wait, the title of chapter 2.
Work hard, play hard.
There you go. Work hard, play hard. Oh, in this, where's Katarina? Wait, let's wait for Katarina, okay? So, Christopher, a question for you. Did you help anyone at school today?
Yes, Miss.
Who is it? Who was it? Sorry.
Uh, Glenn.
Glenn, your friend.
Yes, Miss.
How did you help him?
Uh, I help. Wait, Miss. Apa ini?
Oh, Katarina is back finally.
Hmm. Wait, Miss.
Katarina, I was asking Christopher. He's still trying to find the answer. The same question I'm going to ask to you. Did you help anyone at
Oh,
school today, Katarina?
Len pen.
Lending.
Len pen.
I lent him
I lent him
a pen.
pen.
Ink
A
pen?
pen.
An ink pen?
Pen, Miss.
Oh, just a pen. Okay. There you go. Nice one. Thank you, Christopher, for helping your friend. How about you, Katarina? Did you help anybody at school today?
No, Miss.
You didn't even help your teacher by listening to the lesson quietly?
Oh, yes.
That's helping, as a teacher. Imagine having 30 students and they're all Oh. So today we're going to talk about chapter 2. And Christopher already mentioned the title was
Work hard, play hard.
Work Hard, Play Hard. There
And
you
the
go.
ending.
Mm. Now, as you can see, there's a board there. The picture is of a board. And there's a title here. What's the title?
School clubs.
School clubs. There you go. We have how many school clubs were in this class? Guys, how many school clubs do you see?
Uh, 10.
10. So how many school clubs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6 school clubs. Okay, we're going to say all the school clubs together. Ready? Follow me,
Ready.
please. Karate lessons.
Karate lessons.
Katarina.
Karate lessons.
Yeah, hang on, not karate lessons. Karate lessons.
Karate lessons.
Ooh, not karate. Uh, in English, it's karate.
Karate.
There you go. So, karate lessons. Katarina?
Karate,
Karate.
karate lessons.
Not karate. Here. If you don't believe me, in English, we don't say karate.
Karate.
There you go.
Karate.
Yep,
Karate.
there. It's turning into E, karate.
Karate.
Karate lessons.
Karate lessons.
There you go. Chess club, photography club.
Chess club, photography club.
Nice. Christopher?
What, miss?
Yo, chess club, photography club.
Photography club.
Chess club, photography club.
Chess club.
And
Photography club.
there you go, photography. Photography.
Photography.
Got it. Writing workshop. Guys, please follow me.
Writing workshop.
Katarina, writing workshop.
Writing workshop.
Cooking club, Japanese club.
Cooking club, Japanese club.
Chris?
Cooking club, Japanese club.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if you see these 6, okay, which one are in your school? Which ones that you have in your school? Do you have clubs at school, karate lessons, for example?
Yes, miss.
So which one? You have karate lessons at school
Yes.
and chess club,
No.
photography club?
No, miss.
No. Writing workshop?
Not miss. Only karate lessons.
Okay. Katarina, how about your school? Which ones that you have at your school in your school?
Um, um,
What? Sorry?
Karate lessons and Chess club.
Chess club. Oh, karate lessons and chess club. Okay. Now, my next question is, so if you don't have all those clubs, what do you have in your school? In Indonesia, we call it extracurricular. So what do you have for extracurriculars at school?
Drawing,
Drawing. What else?
English,
English,
math,
math.
science,
Mm-hmm.
football,
Mm-hmm.
karate,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Choir, paduan suara.
yes, Miss, choir,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Marching band.
wait, please. Wait, Miss.
Okay, I'll wait. No problem.
Uh, Drama.
Drama. Mm-hmm. Oh,
Oh
theater.
iya,
Okay, drama or theater. Mhm.
already, Miss.
Oh, already. No marching band, Chris.
Oh, band, Miss. Band and band.
Oh, and band.
Badminton.
Band and badminton.
Yes,
So 10 clubs.
yes, Miss.
Ah, there you go. Okay, so Christopher's school has 10 school clubs. How about you, Katarina?
Um, Science Olympic, Math Olympic,
Science Olympic, Math Olympics.
Fire,
Sorry, what?
paduan suara, Miss.
Choir. So sorry. Choir.
Fire, English club,
English.
taekwondo,
Taekwondo.
uh, mm, mm, English, uh,
Then
wait, mm, I think that's it all, Miss.
that's all. Okay. So there are 5 clubs in Katarina's school. English, Science Olympic, Math Olympics, uh, choir, and taekwondo. There you. Which ones that you joined? Christopher.
Badminton and English, Miss.
English and
Badminton.
badminton. Oh, you joined badminton. Nice. Okay. How about you, Katarina?
Mhm. Um, Choir and Science Olympics.
Choir and Science Olympic. Nice. Very good, you two. Very active students at school. Okay. So here we have 6 other clubs. Okay. We are going to try to listen to the audio. You are going to check for the day and the time. Okay. Number 1 has been done for you. The day is Saturday and the time is morning. We're going to listen to chess club, photography club, writing workshop, cooking club, and Japanese club. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Activity 1 and 2.
Karate lessons are on Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. I've done karate for 3 years. You use your hands and feet a lot, and you have to be very strong. Chess club is on Wednesday at lunchtime. Chess is a great game. You have to think carefully and guess what the other player is going to do. Photography club is on Monday after school. You don't need a camera. You can borrow one. You do need a good eye, though. Writing workshop is on Tuesday at lunchtime. We write short stories and poetry. You have to have a good imagination, and you should enjoy reading. Cooking club is on Thursday after school. We're learning about baking. The teacher shows us how to bake cakes. It isn't difficult. You just follow a recipe. This week, it's chocolate cake. Japanese club is on Friday after school. Akio is a fantastic teacher. Speaking Japanese isn't so difficult, but you have to learn a new alphabet.
There you go. So, did you get all the days and the times?
No, Miss.
No.
No.
Which ones that you get? Let's try. Christopher, which ones that you have?
Doesn't, Miss.
Huh? None? Nothing? You didn't get any days or times? Yeah. Katarina, how about you?
Didn't miss.
Oh no. Guys, did you hear the audio?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, it mentioned days and time, just like this. So I take karate lesson. It's on Saturday morning and blah 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 blah. So pay attention only to the days and the time, okay? You do know the names of the days, right? Let's check. What's the first day of the week?
Monday,
Monday, and then
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday.
Friday. Got it. You don't go to school on Saturday. That's why Saturday morning is for karate lesson. Let's try. Listen to it one more time. This time, pay attention only to the day.
Chapter 2,
Ooh.
Lesson 1.
So, Christopher, Katarina, only the days, okay? Listen carefully.
Activity 1 and 2.
Karate lessons are on Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. I've done karate for 3 years. You use your hands and feet a lot, and you have to be very strong. Chess club is on Wednesday at lunchtime. Chess is a great game. You have to think carefully and guess what the other player is going to do. Photography club is on Monday after school. You don't need a camera. You can borrow one. You do need a good eye, though. Writing workshop is on Tuesday at lunchtime. We write short stories and poetry. You have to have a good imagination, and you should enjoy reading. Cooking club is on Thursday after school. We're learning about baking. The teacher shows us how to bake cakes. It isn't difficult. You just follow a recipe. This week, it's chocolate cake. Japanese club is on Friday after school. Akio is a fantastic teacher. Speaking Japanese isn't so difficult, but you have to learn a new alphabet.
There you go. Okay. So, how about chess club? What day is it?
Wednesday, Miss.
There you go. Chris, is it Wednesday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. We already learned silent letters in English. So it's Wednesday. Got it. Oh, wait. Wednesday. Anybody got the time? What was the time? No? Okay. It's okay. We will listen to it later. The next one, photography club. When is it?
Monday.
Monday. Nice. There you go. We have Wednesday and then Monday. Writing workshop.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good. There you go. Katarina, where are you? Why is Katarina not answering, by the way? Okay, so this one is Tuesday. Cooking club, cooking club.
Cooking club.
Mm-mm.
Thursday.
Thursday. Nice. Okay. So cooking club is Thursday. Why is Katarina not answering anyway? And the last one, Japanese club,
Friday.
Friday. There you go. Okay. Friday. Now we're going to listen to it one more time. This time, pay attention to the time, okay? The time is not like 2:30, 4:30, but it's something like morning or after school or lunchtime or so on. Okay? Ready? One more time. Get set and go.
Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Activity 1 and 2.
Karate lessons are on Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. I've done karate for 3 years. You use your hands and feet a lot, and you have to be very strong. Chess club is on Wednesday at lunchtime. Chess is a great game. You have to think carefully and guess what the other player is going to do. Photography club is on Monday after school. You don't need a camera, you can borrow one. You do need a good eye, though. Writing workshop is on Tuesday at lunchtime. We write short stories and poetry. You have to have a good imagination, and you should enjoy reading. Cooking club is on Thursday after school. We're learning about baking. The teacher shows us how to bake cakes. It isn't difficult. You just follow a recipe. This week, it's chocolate cake. Japanese club is on Friday after school. Akio is a fantastic teacher. Speaking Japanese isn't so difficult, but you have to learn a new alphabet.
There you go. So how about chess club?
Lunchtime, Miss.
There, lunchtime. Katarina, seriously. Christopher is answering all the questions. Lunchtime. Where are you, Katarina? Are you there? Photography club, Chris?
After school, Miss.
After school. There you go. Writing workshop.
Lunchtime, Miss.
I'm going to ask Katarina to start video and audio. Why is she not answering or showing her face? Writing workshop, Tuesday, lunchtime. Correct. Okay. Cooking club?
After school.
After school. Well done, Christopher. The last one, Friday?
After school, Miss.
The same, after school. There you go. Katarina, are you there? Chris, why are you following Katarina turning off your video?
Okay, Miss.
There. You know how it feels when you talk to the wall? It feels like that when I'm talking to Katarina at the moment, like I'm talking to the wall. She's not replying, not showing any expression, nothing. See, even I asked her to start a video and she doesn't start the video. Yo, what is going on? Chris, have you written everything on your student book?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, done. Because I'm going to delete this, by the way.
What, Miss?
I'm going to delete the writing. Done?
Done.
Okay, got it. Katarina, have you finished writing the blanks in your book? Yes. See, this is what happened. Katarina is not helping me at the moment. Like I said, when you want to help,
Baking in Indonesian what, Miss?
what? Sorry?
Baking in Indonesian what, Miss?
Mamanggang.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
No problem. Okay. Katarina, help me out, yo. Katarina, where are you? I am just going to ignore Katarina. It's up to you, Katarina. If you don't want to join the lesson, up to you, whatever. Okay, Christopher, now we are going to try to make a simple table from our listening. Okay, if you still remember, there are uh, 6 days in the week where we
Yes,
actually do the what? The school club. Mhm. So we are going to try to put all those 6 school clubs.
cool clubs.
Yep. Chris, can you write the days here? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yes, Miss.
Go ahead. Please help me out.
Put my school clubs only Thursday and Friday, Miss.
It's okay. We're going to write the clubs from the listening.
Okay, Miss.
So go ahead. This one is Monday here. I'm going to type Monday so you can continue. Monday,
Oh,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
ah,
Saturday. Okay, got it.
okay. Ini.
Tuesday, and then the next day. Ew.
Iya. Mm-mm.
Thursday, got it.
Only Friday and or Saturday, Miss.
Until Saturday. Okay. Oh, Saturday. Chris, what is Saturday?
Wait, Miss.
Hmm.
Ah,
Saturday, no way. It's not Saturday. Check the spelling again.
typo.
Like I said,
Nah,
there. You are already in the 5th A, level 5A now. So I don't take typo for simple things. We have karate lessons. What else is the next club, Chris? Please write it down. Here,
Karate.
karate lesson and then chess club, right?
Oh, chess club. Yes.
Ah, there's no English club in chess club. Okay.
Chess club.
Katarina is sleeping, I think. She's probably too tired at school. Yeah, whatever. After chess club, what do we have?
Chess club I don't have, Miss. In
No,
the
no, it's okay. This is from our listening, Chris. So we have karate club, chess club, and then the next one is photography from your book.
no.
After chess club, what's there on the student book?
Wait, Miss. Uh, photography club.
Please type photography club then. Eh, ugh, why is it? Okay. Anyway,
Nah,
after photography club, what do we have?
photography club.
Okay, got it. I cannot move the
Oh no,
to
chess club.
chess. Okay, got it.
Chess.
And then
Cheese.
after, well, not cheese, cheese. So after that, writing workshop, got it. The next one is
Nah,
club.
wait, Miss.
Mhm.
Cooking club. Cooking club.
Okay, nice. And the last one is Japanese.
Japanese club.
Mhm.
Finish, Miss.
Done. Okay, nice. Now we're going to try to put the tick, uh, not the tick. We're going to try to put the time there. For example, karate lessons, when is the time and date?
Uh, Thursday, Miss.
Karate, not Thursday. Karate is not Thursday.
Oh, Saturday
Saturday
morning.
morning. Saturday morning. So I'm going to write morning here. Now, Chris, it's yours to continue. Which one is chess club? What day? And you write the time.
Okay, Miss.
Chess club is on
Wait, Miss.
Wednesday. Is it? Yeah, chess club is on Wednesday.
Yes, Miss.
Lunch
Lunch
time. Very good. And then photography club.
to gravy. Monday after school.
Oh yeah, Monday after school. Okay.
Uh,
Oh, that's Wednesday.
Monday. Monday. Finish, Miss. Writing
Writing
on
workshop is, if I remember,
Tuesday.
Thursday or Tuesday?
Tuesday, Miss.
Or Tuesday, okay. Yeah, I remember it Tuesday, but I heard you say Thursday, so I was like, Tuesday or Thursday?
Cooking Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thursday after school.
Mm, After school.
Mm-mm.
Nah, finish, Miss.
Oh, Japanese club. One more. Japanese club is on Friday after school.
After school. Yes, finish.
Oh, okay, got it. Now, Chris, this is what we're going to do next. This, you already see the time and the days. Which one of these clubs that you can attend? For example, Miss, I cannot go to the karate lessons because it's Saturday morning and I go to the church on Saturday morning, for example. So, do you have any activities on Saturday morning?
No, Miss.
No. Can you go to karate lessons?
But karate lessons, karate lessons in
Mhm.
Thursday.
Wait, we're not talking about, you just go there. You don't join the karate lessons. You just see. So can you go to the
See,
karate lessons? To see your friends practice. You don't join the karate lessons. Can you go to the karate lessons on Saturday morning?
yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay. So go ahead and say it. I can go to the karate lessons on Saturday morning to see my friend.
I can go karate lessons Saturday at morning.
Oh, on Saturday morning
On Saturday morning.
to see my to
See
see.
my friend.
Mm. So I can go to
So
karate.
I can go to karate lessons on Saturday morning to see my friend.
Got it. This is Tuesday lesson Saturday morning. How about Monday? From Saturday to Monday. Can you go to the photography club after school to see your friends?
I can go photography club on Monday after school to see my friends take
But
a picture.
but Chris, you have a class with me after school.
Uy,
Oh, you. Wait,
but
wait.
in
Huh? What
2
time does
o'clock,
your
Miss.
school end?
2 o'clock.
Oh, 2 o'clock. Yeah, yeah, you can do it. So after school, got it. Okay. So now Tuesday, can you go to the writing workshop on at lunchtime? Can you do it at
I
lunchtime?
cannot go to writing workshop on Tuesday morning
Mhm.
because I want to eat at lunchtime.
There you go. Okay. I cannot go to. Okay. Now Wednesday.
Wednesday, chess club.
Yo, yo.
Chess club.
Uh-huh.
I cannot go to the chess club because I play with my friend at
Ah,
lunch.
at lunchtime. Got it. How about Thursday?
I can go to cooking club on Thursday after school
To eat.
because I want to.
Eat the cookies.
Yes, miss.
I want to try.
I want to try the cookies.
Okay. The last one, Japanese club. Oh my God.
I cannot. I can go to Japanese club on Friday after school to see my friend.
There you go. Hang on a second. I'm charging my laptop. Wait. Okay. Got it. There you go. We already talked about this. Mhm. Now we're going to try to check this one out. Please go to your student book again, Chris, and do activity 2. I'll give you 3 minutes to do activity 2. Okay? Ready?
Listen again and write the words next to the clues, miss.
But do you have to
Finish,
listen?
miss.
Oh, finish. You don't have to listen to it again, right?
No.
No. Okay, hang on. I'm still trying to download this uh whiteboard. Wait. Where's export? Okay. Export. Hmm, got it. Let's try then. Okay. Chris, please try and read number 2.
You have to think carefully.
What?
Chess.
Chess what?
Chess club, miss.
Chess club. Got it. Okay.
You don't need a camera.
Mhm.
Photography club, miss.
The photography club. Nice.
You just follow a recipe. Baking, miss.
Baking.
Baking club.
But wait, Chris, this is not recipe. Recipe.
Recipe.
Got it. One more time. You just
You just follow a recipe.
you recipe.
Recipe.
No way. This one.
Recipe.
You just follow a recipe.
Not
Recipe.
not recipe.
Recipe.
Oh, you just follow a recipe.
Ah, there you go. Recipe. Recipe.
Recipe.
Oh, not recipe.
Recipe.
There you go. Okay. Number 5.
You have to have a good imagination.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, poetry. Poetry.
We're going to listen to the pronunciation now. Tring. Okay, let's listen.
Poetry.
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 Poetry. You
Poet.
have to have a good imagination. Poetry.
Poet.
Poetry.
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 And the last one.
You have to learn a new alphabet. Japanese.
Japanese. There you go. So, tring. Now, what if, this is for you, Chris, what if you are in this school? Which club will you join?
Uh, chess club.
Not cooking club. I thought you no, chess club. Okay, why?
Because I can play the chess with my friend, Miss.
Oh, do you like playing chess then?
Yes, Miss.
I see. Well, I would join the cooking club for real because I like baking cookies and cakes. So, yay, cooking club. Chris is chess club. Yeah, there you go. Let's ask. Maybe Katarina will answer this time. Katarina, how about you? Which club are you going to join if you are in this club in the school? A
Doesn't answer.
few moments later. Tick, 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 tick. Hi, Katarina. I don't know where Katarina is. Oh, I know. I know. She's probably in the toilet. That's why
Oh,
she doesn't bring her phone and she didn't listen to us. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, speaking of karate. Chop the
yeah.
Chris, can you see the picture?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. There's a boy doing karate and there's a city behind him. What city is it? Paris? Why do you think it's Paris?
Because in the side
Mm-hmm.
is witness. Nama the name uh ano ni? Power Eiffel
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
So that's the Eiffel Tower, according to you. So, uh, let's check in the article then. But before that, what's the boy's name?
Peter Phillips.
Ooh, remember, PH in English is F. So not Peter Phillips, but Peter
Phillips.
Phillips. Got it.
Phillips.
How old is he?
8 years old or
He is 8 years.
35
Huh?
years.
Huh? He is 35 years old? Which
I
one?
read here for oh no, it's
No, he's 8 years old. Oh, I forgot. You are 10 years old, right, Chris?
11, Miss.
Oh, 11. Christopher is 11 years old. Not sure how old Katarina is. Probably 10 or maybe the same, 11. Okay. So this is Peter Phillips. Now, can you answer this question? Do you know what are his hobbies?
Karate.
Karate. Only that?
Uh Witness.
Just like you. He likes playing
Is not this chess
chess. He likes playing chess. There you go.
and Japanese.
And Japanese. So we're going to read about Peter Phillips. How are we going to read this? You get to choose, Chris. One, I get to read first and you follow. Or two, you get to read first and I will follow.
Uh I follow you, Miss.
I want to follow you, Chris, but it's okay. Okay, ready? Karate Kid.
Karate Kid.
Peter Phillips is only 8 years old, but he's done a lot.
Peter Phillips is only 8 years old, but he's done a lot.
Not he is. Don't make it into he is. He's done a lot.
He's done a lot.
He already has his black belt in karate.
He already has his black belt in karate.
Peter lives in Tokyo.
Peter lives in Tokyo.
He's lived in Tokyo for 3 years.
He's lived in Tokyo for 3 years.
He's done karate since he was 5.
He does karate since he was 5.
He done or he's done?
He
He's done.
is done.
Got it. It hasn't been easy, said Peter.
It hasn't been easy, said Peter.
I've worked really hard.
I've worked really hard.
Karate isn't his only hobby.
Karate isn't his only hobby.
He plays chess and he can also speak Japanese.
He plays chess and he can also speak Japanese.
He studied Japanese since he moved to Japan.
He studied Japanese since he moved to Japan,
And he can speak it better than I can.
and he can speak it better than I can.
How long have you lived in Japan? He asked me.
How long have you lived in Japan?
He asked me.
He asked he asked me.
Asked or asked?
Asked.
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 Ask.
There. Okay, I'll take that. I've lived here for 35 years.
I've lived here for 35 years.
That karate kid sure is smart.
That karate kid sure is smart.
There you go. So, who has lived in Japan for 35 years?
Peter Phillips.
No way.
Eh?
Eh?
Peter Phillips, miss.
No.
That karate kid.
No. Karate Kid is Peter. But check this one out.
Me?
Who is, so the person asking? Peter.
Peter.
Yang bertanya kepada Peter yang sudah tinggal di Jepang selama 35 tahun. Because this one says, how long have you lived in Japan? Peter asked me. Okay, so me. How about Peter? How long has he lived in Japan?
3 years.
3 years. There you go. So Chris, is this Paris?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Okay. So this is Tokyo and this is not the Eiffel Tower. This is what we call. Do you watch Doraemon, Chris?
Yes, miss.
That is the Tokyo Tower.
Oh.
See it in Doraemon. See this one. The red and white. Tokyo Tower.
Same like tower.
It looks like Eiffel, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so this one is the Tokyo Tower. There.
Oh.
Okay, so Chris, in this grammar part, we are learning about Can you read it?
Present perfect for and since.
Follow me, please. Present perfect
Present perfect
for and since.
for and since.
Now I'm going to ask you, what is the Indonesian of for? Go search.
Untuk.
Untuk, almost. Another word besides untuk?
Agar.
Nope. Other? Yang lainnya selain untuk, agar, benar sih itu, tapi bukan for itu yang kita mau.
For and
I'm going to let you choose. Which one do you think is for that we're using in this grammar central?
bagi.
Nope.
Terhadap.
No.
Demi.
No.
Buat.
No.
Karena.
No.
Guna.
No.
Selama.
Selama. So let's find the for in this reading. Can you detect any for in the reading?
What means?
Can you see for in the reading, in this text? Is there any word for?
No, miss.
There is, Chris. It's there. Can you not see the for in the reading?
No, miss.
Yo, this one, Chris.
For.
For. Okay. So you said, what's the meaning of for again?
Selama.
Selama. So what does it mean then? He's lived in Tokyo for 3 years.
His life in Tokyo for
He's
3
lived.
years.
What does it mean in Indonesian? He's lived.
Dia tinggal di Tokyo selama 3 tahun.
Almost. Nah, dia tinggal.
Aku
Dia sudah tinggal.
sudah tinggal di Tokyo selama 3 tahun.
There you go. If we make this into full sentence, we have his here. It's actually not he is. Not this one. Ding dong. It's actually he has. So, Tokyo. Please read the full sentence, Chris.
He has lived in Tokyo for 3 years.
There you go. We already found the for. Now, how about since? What does it mean by since?
Since. What is? Wait.
Okay, I'll wait.
Sejak.
Sejak. There you go. Nice. Can you find since in this text?
Witness.
I'm waiting. Please underline. Yo, Chris, it's white. I thought you haven't. Okay. Use other color, purple or something, or red. Finally. Okay. So if you say, what does it mean again? Since?
Sejak.
Sejak. So what does it mean then with this? He studied Japanese since he moved to Japan.
Dia sudah belajar di Jepang selama
Selama or sejak?
sejak dia pindah ke Jepang.
There you go. But wait, Japanese is not Jepang, Chris. Japanese is bahasa Jepang. This one is bahasa Jepang.
Bahasa Jepang.
So one more time. Dia sudah
belajar bahasa Jepang saat dia
not saat.
sejak dia pergi ke Jepang.
Not pergi. Moved.
Pindah ke Jepang.
Pindah ke Jepang. There you go. So let's add this to here. String. He has what?
Studied Japanese.
Japanese. Okay. He has studied Japanese.
Since
or since? Since
he moved to Japan.
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 Hang on. Not Japan, not Japan, not Japan.
Japan.
There you go. Okay.
Miss, may I go to drink?
Yeah, go ahead. May I drink without go to? May I drink?
May I go to
the toilet? Chris, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So back to this.
Right.
Can you fill this, Chris? His lift here.
What, Miss?
Can you fill the grammar central then? His lift here.
He is live here.
Not he is. We already talked about it. He
has lived here since 3 years.
No.
For 3 years.
For 3 years. There you go. He has lived here for 3 years. How about this one? I've lived here.
How long?
No. The third one first. Yang
I've lived here since.
Since or since?
Since.
Continue. Since
I've lived here since I was 5.
There you go. I've lived here since I was 5. Hang on. Okay. I've lived here since I was 5. Now we're going to find the question, how long? Can you see it in this text? How long?
How long? What, Miss?
Here, find it in the text. How long?
How long have you lived in Japan?
Okay, Now we're going to write it down in the Grammar Central. How long?
How long? Wait, miss.
Yeah.
How long have you
How long have you
lived in Japan?
lived or lived?
Lived.
Okay. How long have you lived in Japan? Chris, you already told me the meaning of this one. He has lived here for 3 years. Tadi artinya apa nih? He's lived here for 3 years. Dia
Dia sudah tinggal
hmm,
selama
tinggal di sini selama
tinggal di sini selama 35 tahun.
yo 3 years.
3 years.
For 3 years. Okay, selama 3 tahun. How about this one? I've lived here since I was 5. What does it mean?
Aku sudah tinggal di sini sejak aku berumur 5.
Got it. You already got this and this, but how about how long have you lived in Japan? What does it mean in Indonesian?
Sejak kapan kamu pernah tinggal di Jepang?
Oh, almost. How long?
Berapa lama kamu pernah tinggal di Jepang?
Sudah berapa lama kamu
Sudah
tinggal?
berapa lama kamu tinggal di Jepang?
There you go. How long have you lived in Japan? Now, Chris, you are going to ask me this question, but of course not Japan. I don't live in Japan, so you need to change Japan. Go ahead. Miss Tati?
Miss Teti, how long have you lived in Indonesia?
Indonesian or Indonesia?
Indonesia, Miss.
Indonesia, okay. I've lived in Indonesia for I know. I've lived in Indonesia for 44 years. There you go. Chris, how long have you lived in Surabaya?
I've lived in Surabaya
Mhm.
11 years, Miss.
For
For 11 years.
for 11
I
years.
live in Surabaya for 11 years.
There you go. I've lived in Surabaya for 11 years. Now, this is what we call present perfect. I'm going to draw something. Wait, hang on. Okay. So, this is now. What is the meaning of now?
Sekarang, Miss.
Sekarang. Okay. We already talked about this one in the previous session. This one is the
Past.
past. Got it. So this one must be the
Future.
the future. Now, when we talk about present perfect, kalau kita pakai format ini yang namanya present perfect for since, it means that we started in the past, kita sudah melakukan kegiatannya dari masa lalu, tapi masih berjalan sampai sekarang. But it's still ongoing until now. For example, when I ask you, Chris, sudah berapa lama kamu tinggal di Surabaya?
I live in Surabaya for 11 years, Miss.
11 years. Berarti kan dari 11 tahun yang lalu ya?
Yes, Miss.
Di masa lalu kan?
Yes.
Sampai sekarang masih tinggal di Surabaya kan?
Yes, Miss.
So this is when we use present perfect. It started in the past, mulainya di masa lalu, tapi sampai sekarang belum berakhir, masih kita kerjakan. That's why we use I've lived here since I was 5. Okay. Now, when we talk about present perfect, we have to use this format. We use have or has, okay? Have or has plus verb 3. Kalau
S plus verb T,
Kalau
3.
kemarin past tense, simple past, kita pakainya verb to. This one we use verb 3. Miss, emang bahasa Inggris ada berapa verb sih? Cuman 3, santai aja. Oke, so kita pakainya verb 3. What is verb 3? For example, when we talk about do, the verb 2 of do is, do you still remember what's the verb 2 of do? Jangan udah lupa lagi.
Wait, Miss.
The question, Chris. Masih ingat nggak pertanyaan yang kemarin?
They studied reading, writing, and
No,
math. The
hang on.
boys
When we want to make it negative. Masih ingat nggak? Kalau negatif kita pakainya apa?
negative the figure.
I
I
did,
did,
didn't.
I did, didn't. Oh yeah.
So, what is the verb 2 of do?
Did.
Did. And the verb 3? You can see it here. The verb 3 is?
Done.
Done.
Done. There you go. So we have did, do, and done. Now, how about live? Please find the verb 2 and 3 of live. So, what is the verb 2 of live?
Life,
Almost.
life,
Life or lift?
lift.
Lift. There you go. And what's the verb 3 of live?
Verb 3. Wait, Miss. Lift, Miss.
Live too. Got it. So the verb 2 and 3 are the same. That's why we can also use lift here. He's lived or I've lived. There you go. Now, how about be? Do you still remember the verb 2 of be?
And or were.
Was or were. Got it. And the verb 3? Please find out.
Been.
Been. Nice. Very good. Okay. So was or were for verb 2. Wait. Let me type it down. And the verb 3 is been.
Been.
Yep. He's been or I've been. This is what we have for verb 3. Got it. Work. What is the verb 3 of work?
Work, work.
Worked. There you go. According to our title, worked hard, play hard. Worked. Oh, I'm going to type it here. He's worked and I've worked. Okay. Ding. The verb 2 is also worked. Banyak yang sama, verb 2 sama verb 3 tuh. Worked. There you go. How about study?
Studied.
Studied, miss.
Here,
Studied.
the same. Studied. Studied. Okay, there you go. It means here we will write he's studied, or I've studied.
Why number 2 and number 6 is same, miss?
The same. Okay, why is number 2 and 6 the same? No idea. Probably because they want you to find these in the text, and one is using his lift, and the second one is I've lived.
Oh,
Iya kan? Di teks kan? Coba ada nggak? His lift. Where's his lift? This one. His lift, right?
is
And the other one is
if
I've lived. Okay. Now, let's try and talk about this. Oh, by the way, it's the same. When you use she, you also use has. She's done, she's lived, she's been, she's worked, she's studied. Okay. But when we use I, they, we, you, we use have. They've done, you've lived, we've been, and so on. Okay, now let's try. His lived.
life.
Oh, yo, not life. Lived.
Lived. If lived.
I've lived.
I've lived.
Bingung ya bahasa Inggris. This one is I've, this one is lived. Wait, hang on a second. Let me change the color so you will not get confused. Now, I have some question for you. String. To make a question, we use this one, right? How long? Now, my question is, how long have you studied English?
3 years.
Yo, complete sentence. Aku sudah belajar bahasa Inggris selama atau sejak?
I've studied English for 3 years.
There you go. How about you, Katarina? How long have you lived? How long have you studied English?
I think from I was 7 years old.
Complete sentence. Aku sudah belajar bahasa Inggris sejak aku 7 tahun.
I've studied English when I was 7 years old.
Not when. For present perfect, we only use for or since. For is selama, since is sejak. One more time, Katarina.
I've studied English for 7 years old.
Mm-mm. Aku sudah belajar bahasa Inggris selama aku berumur 7 tahun. Sejak or selama?
Oh, I've studied English. Yeah, I studied English since 7 years old.
Since I was 7 years old. Since I was, Katarina, I've studied English since I was 7 years old.
I studied English si-
Since
since I 7 years old.
I was here. I've studied English since I was 7 years old.
I've studied English since I was 7.
There you go. I've studied English since I was 7. Now, Chris, I'm going to ask one question and you're going to ask me one question. If we completed that, you can leave Zoom. The same with you, Katarina. I will ask you one question and you will ask me one question. If we completed that, you can leave Zoom. Who will start first? You or me?
Me.
Okay, go ahead. Ask me a question.
Mm,
How long?
How long have you lived?
Woi, nggak boleh pakai live. Tadi udah pakai.
Oh,
Hmm.
how you?
How long have you?
How long have you? Teach.
How
Teach
long?
in Liamis.
Nice. Okay. But the verb 3 of teach is not teach, Chris. You need to
Teach.
no. Find out first. Cari dulu. Apa verb 3-nya teach? Kan ini harus pakai verb 3. How long have you?
Taught.
Taught.
How long have you taught in Liamis?
I've taught in Leah for 10 years this year, since 2015. So I've taught in Leah for 10 years. Chris, how long have you, oh no, how long has your father worked as your father is a Navy, right?
Yes.
Okay. How long has your father worked as a Navy, in the Navy? Yeah. How long has your father worked in the Navy?
Wait. Calculator.
Calculator. Ta-ta-da-da. Katarina, prepare your questions because Christopher is still counting.
33 years. Miss.
Complete sentence. My father.
My father. My father be a Navy.
Oi, 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 oi. Remember the question. How long has your father worked in the Navy? So, my father.
My father lived.
Oh, you. My father, he or I?
He
He. So, my father
has
worked
worked in Navy for 33 years.
For 33 years. For real?
33 years, Miss.
33 atau 23 tahun?
33.
33 tahun. Okay. So my father has, one more time. How long has your father worked in the Navy?
What, Miss?
Sekali lagi biar lancar. How long has your father worked in the Navy?
My father be a
As,
Navy.
my father has worked.
My father has been a Navy for 33 years.
33 years. Okay. Chris, you may leave the Zoom room. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Katarina, your turn. Do you want to ask me first or I ask you first?
Miss, ask me first.
Okay. Katarina, how long have you been okay. Oh, no, I passed. Katarina, how long have you studied Katarina, you joined choir, right? No. Tadi ikutan apa? Ikut paduan suara kan?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So, how long have you been in the choir?
I've joined the choir since
Mm-mm.
for 2 years.
2 years. Got it. Now your turn to ask me.
How long have you um, how long have you been a teacher?
I've been a teacher for 20 years. There you go. I've been a teacher for 20 years since 2005. Yeah, I've been a teacher for 20 years. Thank you for your question, Katarina. Wait, hang on. Before you leave, tadi kenapa sih emangnya kok tiba-tiba menghilang? What are you missing? Hmm?
Yes, Miss.
Iya, kenapa? Kasih tahu dulu sebelum pergi.
Tadi kan ekstrakurikuler, Miss. Baru pulangnya jam 4, Miss, ya.
Kan kita
Jadinya udah pulang, Miss.
mulai kelasnya jam 6. Tadi Katarina udah masuk dari jam 6. Terus tiba-tiba menghilang, nggak ada suaranya, nggak ada videonya. Why?
I feel dizzy, Miss.
Okay. Next time, please let me know. Di chat aja. Here, you can chat me privately. Kalau nggak mau Christopher tahu, you can just chat me. Miss Teti, I'm sorry. I feel dizzy. Something like that. Okay, there. Done. Kan jadi Miss Teti nggak, Katarina kemana? Dimakan monster apa Katarina? Sampai nggak ada suaranya, nggak ada gambarnya. Okay. So next time, talk to me, okay? Let me know.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you for joining today's session, Katarina. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.